We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello dear friends, myself is Roshni Parikh and today we are going to learn about the series connection of resistor. Now before start to learn about the series connection of resistor, you should know what is a resistor and what is a resistance. Now see, in a electrical engineering there are so many active and passive elements are there. Active element means what? Active element which supplies the power, that is called a active element, like a current source or a voltage source. Same way, what is a passive element? Passive element which is dependent on the active element, that is called a passive element, like a resistor, inductor and capacitor. Now what is a resistance? Resistance means the property of a material which oppose the flow of current, that is called a resistance. Resistance हम किसको बोलते हैं? Resistance means oppose करना, मीन्स किसका अपोज करना कि कोई पर मटेरियल की वो प्रॉपर्टी के जो उसमें से करंट पास होता है उसका वो अपोज करता है, तो वो प्रॉपर्टी को रेजिस्टेंस बोलते हैं. नाउ सीरीज कनेक्शन ऑफ ए रेजिस्टर. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस सीरीज कनेक्शन? सीरीज कनेक्शन मीन्स व्हाट? सीरीज कनेक्शन मीन्स एंड टू एंड कनेक्शन. End to end connection means what? Suppose if I say for example 3 resistor having a resistance of R1 ohm, R2 ohm and R3 ohms respectively are connected in a series. Series means in a one line, that is called a end to end connection. Means the second end of first element is connected to the first end of the second element. Same way, the second end means other end of second element is connected in series with the directly with the first end of the third element, that is called a series connection. It is in a one line, that is called a series connection. Now what is a common in a series connection? So suppose if I say 3 resistor having a resistance of R1 ohm, R2 ohm and R3 ohm respectively are connected in a series, and these series connections are connected across the supply source, that is the V volt, having a V volt. Now see, in a series connection current is the same through all the element, means the same current is flowing through all the 3 resistances. Means same current means I is flowing through the R1, same way same value of the I is flowing through the R2 and the same current I is flowing through the R3. Means in a series connection, make one thing clear, in a series connection currents remains the same, means a current flowing through all the element which are connected in a series, that is the same. Now what is the difference? The difference, that is the voltage. Voltage across the each element, that is the different, and that value of the voltage is dependent on the value of the resistance. Means what? The applied voltage is equal to algebraic sum of voltage across the each element which are connected in a series. See here 3 resistances are there, R1, R2, R3 are connected in a series. So voltage drop or a voltage across the R1 resistance, that is the V1 volt. Same way voltage across the R2 resistance, that is the V2, and voltage across the R3, that is the V3 volt. And the algebraic sum of all the 3 voltages means a V1 plus V2 plus V3, that will be equal to the supplied voltage, that is the V. So in a series connection I remains the same, So V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 because here 3 resistances are connected in a series. If I say n numbers or suppose say 4 to 5 numbers of resistances are connected in a series, so V will be the V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 means are numbers of the resistances. So now what is a V? So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, and you already know about the Ohm's law. What is the Ohm's law? Ohm's law equation, that is the V is equal to IR. Ohm's law means what? The Ohm's law, that is the Ohm's, that is the scientist name, and Ohm has given the one law and which is popular by the Ohm's law, and that is related to the voltage versus the current relation. When in any conductor voltage is applied, at that time that voltage is directly proportional to the current if the temperature is a constant. That is the Ohm's law, and Ohm's law is given by the equation V is equal to IR. So see here in a series connection, now again come on the series connection, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now substitute the value of a V regarding to the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR, so V is equal to IR. Same way, what is a V1? V1 means a voltage drop across the resistance R1, and here current flowing through the R1, that is the I, and what is the voltage across the R1? That is the V1. So V1 is equal to what? V1 is equal to I into R1. So V1 is equal to I into R1 plus V2. V2 is the voltage drop across the R2 resistance, and current value, that is the same, only I, not is a I2. So IR2, that will be the V2. Same way, substitute the value of a V3. V3, that is the voltage drop across the R3. Now voltage drop across the R3, current, same current is flowing through the R3. So our voltage drop V3, that is equal to IR3. So substitute the value V3 is equal to IR3. Now take a I as a common, so finally you will get I cancel out, so finally you will get R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is for the series connection. Means what? In a series connection, equivalent resistance is equal to algebraic sum of all the resistances are connected in a series. Suppose if I say more numbers of resistances are connected in a series, so what will be our equation? Simply our equation will be R equivalent, that is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus number of the resistance, and that number means if I say n numbers of resistances are connected in a series, so R equivalent, that will be the R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dash 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 plus Rn, where n, that is the numbers of the resistance. Means in a series connection, your equivalent resistance, that is equal to the algebraic sum of all the resistances connected in a series. Means series connection में क्या होता है, तो जितने भी रेजिस्टेंस हम सीरीज में कनेक्ट करते हैं उन सब के रेजिस्टेंसेस वैल्यू का एल्जेब्रिक सम हमें फाइनली इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस देता है. इफ आई से कि 5 ओम, three numbers of 5 ohm resistances are connected in a series, then what will be the equivalent resistance? The 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is the 15 ohm. That will be the our equivalent resistance of the series connection.